I've been using the HONOR Magic 8 Pro for a little over a week now. So here's my full honest review. First up, design and build. The HONOR Magic 8 Pro is noticeably lighter and slimmer than its predecessor. It weighs 219 grams and is just 8.3mm thick. Instead of glass, HONOR went with a fiber reinforced plastic bag this time. It has a shimmering shade effects on a matte finish that still feels premium, almost like glass, but with a better drop resistance. And as Zach from Jerry Rigs Everything's always said,
glass is glass and glass breaks.
Interestingly, HONOR is probably the only brands in 2025 still sticking with a curved displays for their flagship smartphone, a quad curved display to be specific, while everyone else has gone flat. The curved screen does make swiping feel smoother and more natural, but this also means screen protectors are harder to find. Thankfully, it comes with one pre-installed. If you sign up as an HONOR member, which you should do, you also get a free screen protector replacement during HONOR Service Day, which happens almost every month since this year. Now, there's a new button, the camera control, the HONOR AI button. It's more than just a camera shutter. Besides the usual half press to focus, full press to snap a photo or record a video, and swipe to zoom, you can actually customize it to launch other apps. My only complaint is the odd placement. Basically, just like the iPhone camera buttons. Not the most ergonomic things, even if you have a long finger like me. If you want to copy homework, also don't copy bulat-bulat lah. Still, it's a nice feature to have for a quick camera's access and AI visual search. The display is a 6.71-inch 120Hz LTPO OLED with a crazy 60/100 nits peak brightness. Outdoor visibility is plain sailing. It's also packed with a lot of eye protection features such as high 4320Hz PWM dimming, hardware level low blue lights, circular polarized display 2.0, motion sickness relief, and more. On the front, you get an advanced 3D ultrasonic fingerprint scanner, plus a 3D TOF face unlock system. It has both more secure mobile security solution. In terms of durability, the HONOR Magic 8 Pro is rated IP69K, the highest you can get for any smartphones out there. It's not just waterproof and dustproof, it can handle high pressure hot water jets and even salt mist. HONOR Malaysia is so confident that they are giving 365 days front and back crack protection, a 1-year extended warranty, and 1-year liquid damage protection. Performance-wise, this is one of the first flagship in Malaysia running the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5. HONOR claims up to 20% better CPU performance, 23% better GPU, and a 37% jumps in NPU performance over the previous Snapdragon 8 Elite. HONOR also added their own C1 Plus chip to improve cell signals and Wi-Fi connectivity. As you can expect day-to-day use and gaming, it feels super smooth, exactly what you want from a flagship. Onto the camera, I honestly think the HONOR Magic 8 Pro has one of the best camera setup right now. The center stage is the 200 megapixel ultra night telephotos camera with 3.7x optical zoom and up to 100x digital zoom. AI Super Zoom now activates from 10x onwards. Previously was 30x, but you do need internet for that. Photos definitely have a lot of AI processing going on. Sharper details, enhanced textures, but hey, that's what most consumers want. Photos that are ready to share without much editing needed. Even if you want to edit your photos, the built-in editing tools are more than sufficient. Plus, you can boost your creativity with AI features like AI Upscale, AI Eraser, AI Outpainting, AI Cutout, and the new AI Color, which can recreate cinematic styles or apply professional film tones from any image, and even use them directly in the camera app. Video recordings is also really impressive. It has one of the highest stabilization ratings in the industry, CPA 5.5. Autofocus is fast, and even at 3.7 times or 10 times zoom, handheld footage looks you had gimbals with it. The HONOR Magic 8 Pro runs on the latest Magic OS 10 based on Android 16. According to HONOR Malaysia, it will receive 4 years of major OS upgrades and 5 years of securities update. Compared to other flagships, this is a small snack. It comes with all HONOR AI features including Magic Portal, Magic Sidebar, AI Deepfake Detection, AI Voice Cloning Detection, AI Memories, AI Subtitles, and many more. HONOR also quietly added a double tap back gestures on the real cover to launch app. Why does this sound so familiar? Lastly, the battery. The HONOR Magic 8 Pro comes with an enormous 7100 mAh silicon carbon battery that supports 100 watt wired and 80 watt wireless HONOR Supercharge. It takes less than 50 minutes to fully charge using the included charger and cable. However, based on the PC Mark X battery test, it's not as efficient as I expected. The HONOR Magic 8 Pro scores shy 16 hours, and when compared to the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, which has only 50-100 mAh battery but scores similar battery life. Don't get me wrong, it still provides extensive battery life. The HONOR Magic 8 Pro is a solid all-rounder with a gorgeous display, smooth performance, killer cameras, and an impressive battery life. It proves you don't need a big name's camera branding stick on the back or a clunky teleconverter to get sharp zoom shots. Honestly, it's an easy recommendation if you want a flagship that actually takes great photos and even videos. I'll be bringing this device for my upcoming trip to China. That's all from me on the new HONOR Magic 8 Pro. If you have any questions, do drop them in the comment box below. I'll be sure to answer them. Thank you for watching. Take care and I'll see you at the next one.